6,000 orders have been placed of our big deal, so I'm thrilled that we can do this encore presentation with you. Only order of the year. It's the newest in the DreamJeannes line. It's a sparkle scalloped crop pant. So you'll see these are more a closer fit, not like necessarily a jegging, but a closer fit. And then look at the hem. It is so adorably cute. There is a little scallop. There's some sparkle in true Quacker Factory fashion. And we have sizes extra, extra small through 5X in a short inseam, which means they're 2 inches shorter, but the rise is the same. That's why we don't call it petite, we call it short. And the regular inseam is 25 inches. These are 96% cotton, 4% spandex. They have a lot of give. So if you have given up denim because it's just not comfortable enough, it's just not breathable enough, then this is going to be for you. So here we have the medium wash. We have them in white. Get your white denim now, your white comfy denim for the next coming couple seasons. Then we have the sand. Here's shadow pink. Pink denim, where else do you get that? And then finally, dark indigo. $17 is a charge on a credit card. These are normally $62. The big deal price is just under $51. So that is the dark indigo. Shadow pink, sand, white, and finally medium wash. This is it for the year. Get yours now, especially before it's gone. That's what BIG stands for. A681563 is your item number. Angel Smedley is joining us via Skype. Hello, my friend. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. And we get to see the puppy.
Awesome. Yes, he is always by my side.
He's so sweet.
He's supervising.
All right, so these have been a big deal for a little bit now. I'm so glad that we have some remaining at this fantastic price because this is a DreamJeannes story and a sparkle story.
It really is. It really is. And you know what? I'd love to start with just the fabric itself. So Jean Weiss, our founder, had given up on wearing denim. She just said, forget it. It's too uncomfortable. No. But then after coming to QVC for so long and seeing everybody in jeans, she said, I want to feel young and hip. And I want to look like I'm wearing denim, but I don't want to feel like I'm wearing denim. So she found this fabric and we brought it to QVC in September of 2010. We started with 3 silhouettes. We've now grown to over 100 different silhouettes, this being one of the newest. And we've sold over 4.8 million.
Oh, we got an update on the number.
Got an update. Yes.
I've been waiting for that update for like years. It's almost 5
I feel like after
million.
Yes, I was going to say, I feel like after this week, we're going to need another recount.
I know, right? Because these have been very popular. Well, for this price, I mean, even DreamJeannes are usually in the 60s, you know, high 60s, even 70 sometimes. So for around $50, this is an opportunity to really stock up because they are so comfortable. And if you've never experienced them, I still say consider multiple colors because you will get them home and you'll be like, oh, these are really nice. These are really comfortable. I'm going to wear them all day, whereas I couldn't wear jeans all day. And you're going to want another one, and then you'll come back and they may not be there. And especially since we have all these color choices, it's not just the denim colors.
You're right. Absolutely. You know, we love to add little pops of spring colors, and then you have your basic and your denim. Just so perfect. I have to tell you, I worked with the new host, Avijah.
Oh, Avijah.
Did I say that right? Avijah.
Yeah.
I promise I'll get it right. And she put them on, and we were talking. I was like, what do you think about the DreamJeannes? And she's like, these are really comfortable. I said, I know, right?
Yeah, it's so funny
Terry,
because unless you watch QVC, this is the only place to get them. I mean, they're super famous here after almost 5 million, but a lot of people have never experienced it before. And it's something so different. We're used to stiff denim that doesn't move.
Yes. So this is a 96% cotton, 4% spandex knit French terry. So it looks like denim or twill in the colors, you know. But it feels like your softest, most comfortable, almost sweatpants-like.
Yes.
But structured and looks great. That scalloped trim hem, I'll tell you a little story. Last January, we had a similar pair to these. And I think I had them in the overnight, like 1 a.m., 2 a.m., and they were pretty much gone after that one presentation
Wow.
because the customer just wanted them. And so our team said, oh, well, hey, let's bring this back, but let's bring it back really big. Haha, wink, wink. Hence the big deal. So,
well, and that's the thing for those of you that are new to QVC. Our today's special value is the star of the day, and then our big deals are like that, co-star, like, supporting character, I guess, but just almost as big, except for we don't bring in as many. So it lasts a little bit longer. The price will not be here forever, but we don't bring in as many. So if you see a color that you like, I would highly recommend getting it now. You have 30 days to exchange for size or color for free, but only a couple more days, I think, at this price. Now, speaking of sizing, how does that work?
Okay, well, if you are a medium in Denim & Company, you would be a medium in Quacker Factory. So you can go by that. Stick with your normal QVC size, if you will. I'm 5'8". I'm wearing the size 1X in the regular length in the sand color, which is like a really pretty soft tacky. Me too. And you know what I love too, Terry, that we do the short versus petite, is you can customize where you want this to hit you on your leg. Like if I wanted a shorter inseam and have it really more cropped, I could go with the short.
Right.
Because the rises are the same. So I'm not going to skimp myself in that rise. Typically in the petite world, the rises and the inseams are shorter, but we don't do that. We just have the inseams being a little bit shorter. And that if you are, speaking of, sorry, Terry, if you are shorter, I often get messages saying, Angel, your boot cuts at 28 inches for the inseam on the short is still too long for me. So I always recommend a cropped pant.
Yes, definitely a crop. 23 inches on the short, 25 on the regular. This is the sand that Angel is wearing. Dark indigo, medium wash, white, and finally, shadow pink. Now 6,400 orders have been placed. We can add that on to the almost 5 million that we have sold. And I think they're a perfect match. By the way,